Hi teachers! In this video we're going to learn how to embed a Zoom recording into your Canvas course. And that entails three major steps. First, you're going to download your recording, then we will upload that recording, and then embed it into your course. So let's get started. The first thing we want to do is go to slcschools-org.zoom.us and we're going to sign in. Once we're signed into Zoom, we're going to look at the menu over on the left and find recordings. Okay, here's the recording that I want to download. So I'm going to click on it, and you can see that there will be three files that download. One is the MP4 recording that we want, and these two other ones, audio only and chat file, and that's okay. So we'll click download. This is a 2-hour recording, so depending on the length of your recording, it will vary in download time. Okay, you can see down here the three files have downloaded. Now what I'm going to do is navigate to Stream. So I have another tab open, and here I am on the Office 365 dashboard. I'm going to open all the apps and look for Stream. Stream is the platform where we can house videos that we want to use in Canvas or elsewhere. So we'll open that up. And over here is the upload video icon. It's this up arrow with a line. So we'll open up that screen, and then we're going to browse to our downloads. And we're going to find these three files that just downloaded. So we're looking for the MP4 file. That's the video recording that we want to use. So we're going to select this and then open. We can rename it, so I probably want to call this, give it a date like September 10th math or something like that. Okay. Then I'm going to select my video language because this is going to transcribe my recording. Remember, when you're downloading or uploading a video recording file, it could take a while, so be patient. Okay, now we need to select a thumbnail. So over here you can select different thumbnails that they offer. I'm going to select that one and then click Publish. Okay, now I want to click over here to My Content, Videos, and there you can see that I've uploaded my Zoom recording. One thing I want to mention here is on your computer, make sure you delete those recording files. You won't need them because now you have them housed on Stream. Those take up a lot of storage space, so make sure you delete those files after you upload them to Stream. So now the last step is to embed. So we're going to come over here to the More Actions dots and click Share. And I can share just putting a direct link, but I actually like to embed my videos into Canvas. So I'll click on Embed up here. This gives me the whole embed code. I just click over here, copy. That gives me the whole embed code with one click. Then I'll go over to my Canvas course. Go into Modules, find where I want to put this. We're going to put this on week 2 on my presentation page. Just go ahead and delete all this. Okay, now this is really important. We're going to use this Insert Edit Media function here. Click the Embed tab, paste it, and click OK. And that's the last step completed. So thanks for watching. Bye.